Hello cooking friends, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my Jamaican curry saltfish fritters. Let's go. First we need to wash the excess salt from the salted codfish or pollock, and then we need to put it to boil to not only cook it but to help remove some of the excess salt. We're going to boil it twice. Now for the other ingredients, we have some curry powder, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. We have 2 eggs and we have some green onions. And of course there's the flour and the milk, which I'll show you in a few. Okay, so we've boiled it the first time. Now we're catching the water to boil it a second time to remove the salty taste from it. And if you are a person who really doesn't like the salt, go ahead and boil it a third time. Now it's time to cool that saltfish down because it's time to take all the bones out. I know some people don't mind actually the bones in their fritters. I do mind. I don't like any bones in my fritters, so I debone. So I cool it, and now I need to remove the scale and debone it. You can go the easy route and just buy the deboned saltfish bits. They actually sell them deboned and they're already in bits. You don't need to do any deboning or any shredding. Usually I do that, but this time around I am showing you the old-fashioned Jamaican way of most people just buy the saltfish so and then debone and scale. Or some people just, they don't care, they don't mind the bones, they'll just take out a few of them and just shred up the rest. Actually, comment below if you're one of those persons who doesn't mind a bone or two in your saltfish fritters. Now that the saltfish is deboned to my liking, it is time for shredding. And I like to shred up my saltfish nice and neat into little bits and bites, not necessarily the big pieces, but if you don't mind the big pieces of saltfish, you go ahead and do it according to your liking. Now that my saltfish is nice and shredded, I'm going to begin adding my ingredients in a large bowl. I'm going to start by adding my 2 large eggs to the bowl, and then I will be adding some cow's milk. Once again, you add whatever milk follows your dietary your dietary lifestyle. And I'm gonna whisk the eggs in some milk. I tend to eyeball ingredients when I am cooking because I've done this so many times, but if you're wanting to have an idea of portions and proportions, I've listed this recipe link in the description box. You can get the full recipe on the Jamaican recipe blog. Now I'll be adding my blend of curry powder, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning, because you definitely need to season the fritter so it has a nice taste. It doesn't just taste like flour and saltfish. Okay, after that I will be adding some green onions. I actually like my green onions to be in big pieces, because there's something about when you fry up a fritter and the green onion just kind of melts in it, and then you bite into like a semi-melted green onion, that just makes a traditional curry fritter taste that much better for me anyway. Comment below if you like your green onions, your semi-melted green onions in the fritters. So right here I'm adding in some saltfish, and then I'll be mixing some more. And pretty much we'll be doing just adding ingredients and mixing as we go along, and just seasoning the base before adding in some more milk and flour. Now it's time to mix in the flour, and we'll just mix that in as we go along. Now I'm adding in the last of my curry powder blend. And now some more milk. Now adding the last of the saltfish, mixing that in. And then we're going to add the last of the green onions. Once that's all mixed in, it's time to fry. I already preheated the oil, and now I'm using a large ladle to drop my fritter into my frying pan. Have it, friends, some nice golden fritters, and my favorite way to enjoy this is between two slices of whole wheat bread So I'm just gonna sandwich mine and take a big bite. Yum. Thanks for watching. And until next time, bye bye.